Today, you are about to witness something truly inspiring. This is not just a motorcycle repair. This is a story of patience, skill, and determination. In a quiet workshop, a young girl stands beside an old, worn-out motorcycle. At first glance, it looks tired, rusty, and forgotten by time. Many people would see scrap. But she sees potential. With confidence in her eyes and tools in her hands, she begins the journey. The first step is inspection. Every bolt, every wire, every moving part is carefully checked. Years of dust and grease cover the engine, hiding its true condition. She starts cleaning slowly, giving attention to even the smallest details. As the dirt comes off, the real motorcycle begins to appear. The engine parts are removed one by one. Some parts are repaired, some are replaced, and some are restored with careful polishing. There is no rush-only focus. Now comes the heart of the machine. The engine is cleaned deeply and adjusted with precision. Each sound, each movement is tested. She listens closely because a good mechanic doesn't just look. She listens. Next, the fuel system is repaired. Old pipes are cleaned, filters are replaced, and connections are tightened properly. The carburetor is tuned until it's just right. This motorcycle is slowly coming back to life. The electrical system is checked next. Wires are fixed, lights are tested, and switches are repaired. One by one, the indicators glow again. It's a small moment, but it feels like a victory. Now it's time for the brakes and suspension. Safety comes first. Brake pads are replaced, cables are adjusted, and the suspension is checked for smooth movement. Every part must work perfectly. After mechanical work is done, the transformation truly begins. The old paint is scratched, faded, and uneven. She carefully sands the surface, removing rust and smoothing the body. This step takes time and patience, but the result depends on it. Once the surface is ready, the motorcycle is cleaned again. No dust, no oil, no mistakes. Now comes the color. With steady hands, she applies the first coat of paint. Slow, even strokes. No rush. The motorcycle starts to shine again. Layer by layer, the color becomes richer and deeper. Each coat is left to dry properly. This is not just painting, it's craftsmanship. After the final coat, a clear finish is applied to protect the color and add shine. The body now looks fresh, smooth, and brand new. Assembling begins. The restored parts return to their place. The engine fits perfectly. The tank shines. The seat is cleaned and adjusted. Every bolt is tightened with care. Finally, the moment arrives. She turns the key. A short pause. Then the engine roars to life. The sound is smooth, strong, alive. What once looked like scrap is now a beautiful, powerful motorcycle reborn through skill and dedication. This is more than a repair. This young girl didn't just repair a motorcycle. She brought it back to life. The engine is running now, but her work is far from finished. She doesn't celebrate yet. A true mechanic knows that the real test begins after the engine starts. She lets the motorcycle idle for a few minutes, carefully observing every vibration, every sound. Her eyes move between the engine, the exhaust, and the dashboard. There are no leaks, no unusual noises. Everything feels right. Slowly, she increases the throttle. The engine responds smoothly, proving that all the hard work was worth it. Now comes fine-tuning. She adjusts the idle speed, making sure the engine runs steadily without stalling. Small turns of the screw make a big difference. This part requires experience and patience. Next, she checks the exhaust smoke. Clean combustion means the tuning is perfect. The motorcycle breathes freely again. With mechanical performance confirmed, she moves on to the final detailing. The wheels are removed and cleaned thoroughly. Old dirt stuck between the spokes is carefully scrubbed away. The rims are polished until they reflect light. Newly painted parts now match perfectly with the fresh shine of the wheels. The chain is cleaned and lubricated. Each link moves freely again. She adjusts the tension to factory specifications, ensuring smooth power delivery. Now she focuses on the small details that most people ignore. Bolts are aligned. Cables are routed neatly. Loose edges are corrected. Nothing is left unfinished. Because perfection lives in details. The seat is cleaned and restored. Foam is checked for comfort, and the cover is adjusted tightly. She makes sure the riding position feels natural and balanced. Next, mirrors are aligned for proper visibility. Handlebars are adjusted for comfort and control. Clutch and brake levers are set to the perfect reach. This motorcycle is not just restored to look new. It's restored to feel new. Now comes the moment everyone waits for. The test ride. She rolls the motorcycle out into the open space. Sunlight hits the freshly painted body, making the color glow. It looks nothing like the old machine we saw at the beginning. She puts on her helmet, takes a deep breath, and sits on the bike. One push of the starter. The engine responds instantly. She releases the clutch gently and begins to ride. The motorcycle moves smoothly, confidently. No jerks. No hesitation. As she shifts through the gears, each change is clean and precise. Acceleration is strong. Brakes respond perfectly. Suspension absorbs every small bump. This is the true reward of restoration. She rides slowly at first, listening carefully, then a little faster. The motorcycle proves itself again and again. After the test ride, she returns to the workshop with a satisfied smile. But still, she checks everything once more. Because responsibility matters. She inspects all bolts after the ride. She checks fluid levels again. She confirms there are no leaks. This motorcycle once looked tired and forgotten, but today it is about to get a brand new life. Every part placed on the table tells a story of hard work, patience, and skill. She starts by carefully cleaning the metal parts. Dust, rust, and old paint slowly disappear as she prepares the surface. This step may look simple, but it decides how beautiful the final result will be. She believes that good work always starts with proper preparation. Now comes the most satisfying part, coloring the bike parts. She chooses the paint with care, mixing shades until the color feels just right. With smooth and steady movements, she applies the paint layer by layer. The dull metal slowly transforms into a fresh, shining surface. Each stroke shows her experience, and each pause shows her attention to detail. The fuel tank, side covers, and small metal components are painted one by one. She doesn't rush. She knows that patience is the secret behind perfection. As the paint dries, the workshop fills with a sense of progress and pride. What was once old now looks strong and new again. After the paint work, she begins adjusting the parts. One by one, the freshly colored pieces return to the bike. She aligns every part carefully, making sure everything fits perfectly. Her hands move with confidence, but her eyes double-check every detail. Balance, symmetry, and cleanliness matter to her. The handlebars are adjusted to feel comfortable and straight. The seat is placed firmly, giving the bike a complete shape. Small bolts and fasteners are tightened with care. Not too loose and not too tight. She treats the machine with respect, knowing that every small part plays an important role. As the bike comes together, its personality starts to show. The color shines under the light, and the structure looks solid and complete. This is not just about repairing a bike. This is about proving skill, passion, and dedication. Finally, she steps back and looks at her work. The bike stands proudly, fully assembled, colorful, and ready. From scattered parts to a complete machine, the transformation is clear. Her quiet smile says everything. This is the reward of hard work. This young girl shows that talent has no limits. With focus, patience, and courage, she turns an ordinary task into something inspiring. The bike is complete, but more importantly, another challenge is conquered. As the bike now stands complete, the young girl doesn't stop there. She knows that true work is proven not just by looks, but by performance. With a deep breath, she begins the final inspection. Her eyes move slowly from front to back, checking alignment, paint finish, and balance. Every detail matters. She gently turns the handlebars left and right, ensuring smooth movement. The suspension responds perfectly, showing that the adjustments were done with care. She presses the brakes, listening closely to the sound, feeling the response through her hands. Experience has taught her that machines speak. You just have to listen. Next, she checks the cables and wires, neatly arranged and properly secured. There is no rush in her movements. This patience is what separates ordinary work from quality craftsmanship. The bike is no longer a collection of parts. It is now a complete, living machine. She wipes the painted surfaces with a clean cloth, removing fingerprints and dust. The color shines brighter with every pass. Under the workshop light, the bike looks almost brand new. It's hard to believe that this same machine was once dull, broken, and ignored. Now comes the moment of truth. She sits on the bike, feeling its weight and balance. Her posture is confident, calm, and proud. Slowly, she adjusts the mirrors, making sure the view is clear. The seat feels firm. The controls feel natural. Everything is exactly how it should be. She takes a final walk around the bike, checking bolts one last time. This habit comes from discipline and respect for safety. She understands that responsibility is as important as skill. The engine is ready. She turns the key and prepares herself. With a gentle kick, the engine comes to life. The sound is smooth and steady, echoing through the workshop. A soft smile appears on her face. This sound is the reward for hours of effort, patience, and belief. As the engine warms up, she listens carefully. No strange noises, no vibrations, only the healthy rhythm of a well-adjusted machine. She lightly revs the throttle, feeling the response. The bike answers perfectly. Outside, the bike rolls forward slowly. Sunlight reflects off the fresh paint, making the colors glow. The transformation is complete. What was once forgotten now stands strong and beautiful, ready for the road. This young girl doesn't see the bike as just metal and paint. For her, it represents growth, learning, and determination. Every project makes her stronger, more confident, and more skilled. Her journey proves a simple truth: dedication can turn anything around. With steady hands and a focused mind, she brings life back to machines and inspiration to people watching her work. The bike is finished, the challenge is complete, and the story continues. Because for her, this is not the end. It is just another beginning. After the coloring is complete, everything changes. The dull, faded parts are gone. Now every piece shines with new life. The frame stands strong, coated in fresh color. This is the moment. She turns the key. She presses the starter. For a second, silence. Then, the engine comes alive. Smooth, strong, confident. That sound is not just an engine running. It is success. It is proof. It is victory. All the hard days, the tired hands, the moments of doubt, they were worth it. She checks the throttle, tests the brakes, listens closely. Everything is perfect. She gives the bike a final clean, a final polish, a final touch. The reflection in the paint tells a story of patience, courage, and skill. People once saw this bike as scrap, something useless. She saw potential, and now the world can see it too. This young girl didn't just restore a motorcycle. She restored confidence. She restored hope. She proved that talent has no gender, that age doesn't define ability, that determination can rebuild anything. From rust to revival, from old to new, from forgotten to admired. The bike is ready, and so is her future.